Hi, chemistry class. This is Jeff Dykes, your instructor. Wanted to take a few minutes to welcome you to the chemistry class online. This is day one. And then I wanted to show you a couple things. You'll find most of your work, if not most of it, if not all, of your work will be here. Course content, and you'll see right here the due dates. So all your work is due at the end of the week on Monday. So we go from Monday to Monday in my class. So the first assignments are due Monday the 4th by 11:59 p.m. Here's our grading materials, and then I want to look at the first week. So we're in weekly folders, and so the first part of it tells you kind of an overview. And then in the lecture folder, we have two lectures, chapter 1 and chapter 2. These are PowerPoints from the textbook publisher. And so you can review those. Those would be the same things that I would lecture about if I was to be in class with you. And then we have discussions. Let me click on that. And so we have a biography is the one that you're going to do this week. So write a little bit about yourself. Some of you have already done that. And there's the videos. These are pretty important. They're from Khan Academy. They do an excellent job about explaining things, and these are topics that are in the first couple chapters. So please take the time to watch these videos. They're probably no more than about 10 minutes maximum. So take a look at those. And then you have the submit assignments. So this is where you're going to turn in things. So it tells you there's two things here. There's a video of how to write a lab report, or I talk about how to write a lab report. Discussion here that you're seeing here is the title, introduction, materials and methods. And then here's your laboratory, your lab that you're going to do this week. Okay, so you're going to do some measurement lab. And then when you get it done, you're going to write up your lab report in the format that I just have right here with the title, introduction, materials, methods. And then you're going to load it, submit it right here in lab report. So you'll click here to submit it. And you can attach your file. It's actually worth 25 points. It used to be worth 10, but they're worth more now. Okay, and then that is, I believe, all there is for that first part. Okay. Oh, sorry, there's exams. Can't forget those exams. So the first chapter is kind of a freebie to get your feet wet. So you're going to be talking about the first chapter 1. And so you'll get actually bonus points, 5 points bonus. You won't get any other score, but even if you only score one point out of that, then you'll get 5 points. And then chapter 2 exam is week 1, chapter 2 exam. That's the one we're doing for the regular credit of 25 points. So you can review that. Here's it tells what you're going to have with you when you take the exam. You can have a study sheet. All right, and so that is the bulk of it. So let me know if you have some questions. You'll also do a discussion board that we talked about. This week is just the form about the biography. And then next week we'll actually have some questions that deal with chemistry specifically. There is a question and answer forum, and you can ask anything you want. Anybody can answer that, but that's found in the discussion forum. So most of your time will be between the course content and the discussion forum, discussion board, and then announcements. You can read those little information that's coming your way every day for at least the first starter, and then as needed. Well, it's been great to have you in my class so far. So I wish you well, and just ask me a question, send me an email, or post it on the discussion board. All right, thank you.